Welcome back to our channel for decoration trends and styling tips. Now, are you ready to decorate your home for Christmas with Therapinterior? Definitely this Christmas 2020 will be different from the past ones. And never like in this year, it feels really difficult to imagine what will be the trends for Christmas 2021. From the other side, however, it's fun to think forward and to us always very inspiring to look for new ideas and think about what can be in the next year. I'm Nihan from Terapinterior, Therapeutic Architecture and Interior Design. At Terapinterior, we apply most up-to-date interior trends in our space designs. In addition, we adapt architectural philosophies to our spaces and help them improve life. For this reason, in all the spaces we design, we include details reflecting the personality of our customers and make them feel covered with completely good energies, so that we add originality, depth, and meaning to the spaces with our special designed decorative products and therapeutic artworks. Terracotta, which has been one of the trendy colors in 2019 and 20, is leaving its space to cinnamon and copper tones this season. And this season, besides the tone of patina, its effect as a material stands out. The metallic trend later became warmer and less shiny. The rust color recalls that one of the oxidized iron with its particular hue between red, orange and brown. It is another modern and unconventional color to decorate home this Christmas. A family walk in the forest on Christmas Day. Warming shades of reds and orange, with its rich verdant greens, are giving us a northern feeling. Think wood, ceramics, wool, chunky knits, and fox fur. In this concept, which creates a deep and dramatic effect combined with dark tones, it's more important to create the balance of warm and cold in a magnificent integrity. Tarte's Patina Edition and Night Edition is a perfect match for this concept. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. For more interior design trends and tips, follow us on Instagram. And let us know how you are decorating for Christmas by tagging Therapinterior on Instagram and we'll share.